If standing feels harder than before, or walking feels slower than it used to, you are not alone. And this does not mean something is wrong. It just means the body needs gentle movement. In this video, we will do 3 simple balance exercises. They are slow, safe, and easy to follow. Use a chair or wall if you need support. Move at your own pace. Let's begin. Stand next to a chair and hold it lightly with one hand. Slowly lift one foot slightly off the floor and then place it back down with control. Each lift and return counts as 1 repetition. Move slowly, taking about 3 seconds for each repetition. Count slowly as you move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This exercise helps build basic balance and confidence while standing. As we get older, balance affects simple daily activities like standing in the kitchen, getting dressed, or walking to the bathroom at night. Good balance helps you feel more confident and reduces the risk of falls. You do not need perfect balance. You only need enough balance to feel steady and safe in everyday movements. Stand tall near a wall or counter so you can use it for support if needed. Place one foot directly in front of the other so the heel gently touches the toes. Step forward slowly and carefully, keeping your movements controlled and steady. Each step counts as one repetition. Take about 3 seconds for each step. Continue for 25 slow steps. 1. Count slowly as you walk. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Wearing stable and comfortable footwear is very important for balance. Shoes with good grip and support can help prevent slipping. At home, Keep floors clear and remove loose rugs if possible. Good lighting, especially at night, also helps movement feel safer. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly move your hips in a small circular motion while keeping your upper body relaxed. Each circle counts as 1 repetition. Take about 5 seconds for each circle. Complete 25 slow circles, then pause and rest if needed. 1. Count calmly as you move. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. The body responds best to regular movement. Doing a small amount each day is better than doing too much at once. Rest when you need to and listen to your body. There is no hurry, and progress comes from being consistent. These exercises are meant to help you feel more stable and confident in daily life. You do not need to move fast or push yourself. Practicing a little each day can support balance and safety over time. That is enough for today, and you can come back tomorrow and do the same again.